Hello, welcome to Learn Easy English 123. Today, let's listen to an easy family story in English. This is my family. This is my family. I have a mom and a dad. My parents have two children. I am my parents' daughter. My brother is their son. My grandma and grandpa are my parents' parents. They are part of my family. My mom has a sister. She is my aunt. My dad has a brother. He is my uncle. My aunt and uncle have children. They are my cousins. I am married. My husband is part of my family. My sister is single. My brother has children. They are my nephew and niece. This is my family tree. It shows how my family is connected. Family is important. Every family is different. This is my family. Thank you for learning and listening with Learn Easy English 123. See you next time. Goodbye.